Take a ride in the 2018 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, panoramic moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.